Hello, hello, hello. Today I'm going to be opening my new Nutribullet and I'm so excited. Hi one and all, welcome back to LmarieVita. As I said before, I'm going to be opening my new Nutribullet today. We do have a blender, however, it's been acting up for the past couple of weeks, so we haven't been using it to do that much. Every time I put stuff in it, it's leaking. And so Edward bought this. How long ago did you buy it?
I bought it about a month ago.
Yes. Yeah, I'm ashamed to say I'm just opening it now. So I haven't been doing much like juicing.
I think it's worth pointing out that our last blender was about 5 or 6 years old.
Yes, exactly. So it was old.
And it does still work. However, when Lisa's making a marinade or something like that,
oh yeah, it leaks.
It has a terrible tendency to leak.
Yeah,
you did that pork belly recipe and you put dragon in it. That made a bit of a mess.
So here we are. And I'm excited to try it because I am going to basically test drive it and put some fruits in it.
So what's in the box?
I'm taking out the stuff that word.
Ooh.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take it for a test run. Okay, so here we have the bottom half of it. It's quite heavy. I thought it would be a bit lighter. I thought it would be a bit lighter. But
Sturdy, darling, sturdy.
It is heavy.
Solid.
Heavy, solid. Yeah.
Solid. I believe they're very fashionable.
But I'm sure it's the best one.
Oh, top of the range, my darling. Top of the range.
So you put your juice in it after. I was wondering if it comes with it, and it does.
I think that cup actually goes on top of the base.
Oh, it goes on it as well?
No, do you see the other container?
Yes, it does. Well, no, this goes on top of it.
Yes,
but then you can also drink. But this can also go on top of it. Can it?
The bit on that other thing, unscrew it. It comes into 2 pieces, I think.
You're confusing me now, Eddie.
Thing.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't.
Well, that's not very good.
No, it doesn't. I think I will be mostly doing smoothies. Because you can also do sauces and dips, but I'm going to be doing smoothies. And you can do desserts with this as well.
And marinade.
Well, yeah, you can do all sorts. So now I'm going to test run my Nutribullet.
And this is one way of making celery, which is very healthy, palatable.
Yeah.
But you're going to get the full-on benefit of the celery, don't forget. You're going to get all the stringy bits. So we'll see how it copes.
Yeah, I wasn't thinking about that. So I have carrots, apple, kiwi, and I have ginger. I always put ginger because it just masks the celery taste, especially the celery. I'm going to also put some ice in it because I want it to be refreshing. And I was asking Edward if I should put some nuts in it. I might test it. And I'm not sure how much this Nutribullet can hold, but we shall see.
I think it'll make a puree.
Or will it?
I do.
I'm using the knife. I'm so used to using knife to peel. This is just not using a peeler. My Caribbean people, when you comment below, I'm below. It is just a normal habit of mine to use knife.
I know.
Yeah, so I'm going to wash my celery because I didn't. I'm going to try some peanuts in it. Don't judge me. I am going to put some peanuts in it. This is roasted peanuts. Let us try this thing out. I'm second guessing this peanut, but I've already put it in there, so I might leave it. And I'm not sure about the ginger actually. So I'm going to put the apples in.
I must say it's not as big as our blender.
No, it's not, and I think I was mistaken in thinking that it can hold a lot.
And
maybe I have to cut it a bit smaller. Yeah.
And it's not like the juice extractor either.
No, it takes little bits.
So you'll get all of the goodness, all of the fibre.
You see how mixed up this is?
Looks very nice.
Okay, so I'm supposed to put this on. Is this plugged in? Yep.
pound Nutribullet.
That gave me a fright.
I think you could put the ice in, the rest of the ice in it now, or the rest of the...
I'm gonna put more stuff in it. Okay. It's a better color.
When you take it off, I'm expecting it to go, because it's upside down,
no,
I'm expecting it to all go bloop.
It did give me a fright when I put it on the first time. Okay. Oh, Jesus. I'm not sure putting peanuts in it was a good idea, but hey. Eddie, you have the first taste. You have the first taste, Eddie.
Well, I would be honoured.
Oops.
First test, now you're giving it all of it.
No. Well, you know, I need to put it in. I mean, it does have a nice color, but honestly, I'm not confident of this one. This was just a test run.
It's a blender, and it blends perfectly with what you're wearing. The grey goes with your t-shirt. The face says it all. Look happy about it.
Taste it, Eddie.
I would describe it as raw vegetable soup without any stock, cock, or anything like that. And all the fibre intact.
I'm sorry.
What for?
I can't even drink this on camera to make you guys feel like this is a good tryout.
Lisa, it's all about the Nutribullet.
This was a test run, as I said, and this test run didn't do very well, but at least I know its performance and what it can do, so I'm able, the next time when I'm making smoothie, I will know what to put in it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like what you see, please remember to click like and leave a comment below, and also subscribe to the LmarieVita family. Until next time. Do you like it? Do you like it, Eddie?
Yes. No.
No, you don't like it. Look at it. No, honestly, let me show what it looks like. I don't want to say what it looks like, but you know what I'm talking about.
Look, I'm sure it's really healthy. It's not very nice. I don't know if it's healthy or not, but you might as well keep it rolling, because I'm not going to waste this.
What did you say it tastes like? Cold soup, you said? Bad cold soup? Cold
No, I
soup?
didn't say soup.
What did you say it tastes like?
I said it looks like cold sick.
Oh God, that's nasty.